Dímelo mi gente, Marcucci here again with another video, and today we're going to continue with our Crypto 101, and today we will learn what oracles are, as well as two of the biggest oracles. I will mention them in this video. So please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you have done so already. It really helps out the channel, and thank you so much for watching. So oracles connect external data sources to blockchain networks. This enables smart contracts to execute on-chain agreements based on real-world pricing and events. Smart contracts make decentralized application, other known as dApps, possible as tools for trading, lending, earning rewards, and other activities. Some dApps serve as cross-chain bridges, which transfer assets on data across blockchain networks. Assets that exist on one chain and pass through a cross-chain bridge to be represented on another are referred as wrappers or wrapped tokens. There's like wrappBTC, and the ecosystem that operates around dApps is broadly known as DeFi or decentralized finance. Some traditional finance or TradFi institutions have explored using smart contracts to power new financial products or streamline agreements with counterparties. They often build these products on permissioned blockchains, which allow an administrator to control or reverse parts of on-chain transactions. So we can see here basically how they work is, you have the data providers, financial infrastructure, and government systems. They pass all the information to Oracle networks. This looks like Chainlink, and it is Chainlink, to both public blockchains and permission blockchains. So think about public blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, or permission blockchains like Kinesis by JP Morgan. So these are the two biggest ones. So Chainlink is number one, obviously not financial advice, but they've done extremely well. And the second one is Pyth or Pyth. They are based on Solana. Have not done so well. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on the video. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.